Welcome everyone, making the most of this beautiful weather here in Staffordshire. Today's video, we're going to plant a Schefflera Mountain Gem. Now this is one that I've literally dropped upon, wasn't looking for it, but it was too good of a price to say no to. So let's get into today's video. So I still have plans in the summer behind me to have a large ricinus just next to my banana in that space there, but I think that's where this Schefflera is going to go. As that puts on lovely new growth, it's going to give a real nice contrast compared to my cordyline with the spiky leaves. I'm still going to go ahead and get my ricinus planted behind it because I think that's going to give a really nice interest this summer. So that is still the plan, but again it's about adding evergreen interest into the garden because I've lacked it. Now all of a sudden the garden's kind of transformed just by planting half a dozen evergreens. So let me know down below if this is a variety that you've got, the Mountain Gem, or do you have more the Taiwaniana? I haven't seen it when I've been out and about, so I was lucky enough to come across it. There's only one left and it's a fairly decent size for the price. Just when it comes to pricing, everyone has an opinion on it, right? So I think it's a decent price to me. It's not one I've seen. I think it's a fairly good size, therefore I think it's a decent price. May not be the same for you. You might think it's a bargain, you might think it's a bit expensive. I can only go off what I bought last year for the Taiwaniana. I think that was around £12, wasn't as tall as this, and that was a fantastic price from a B&M home bargain store. This one, local garden centre, so it just goes to show shopping around really does work. Let's place this out, see where it looks best. Now this will get to quite a large tree, right? It's going to give a really nice big canopy. So I could have planted it right towards the back. But what I like to do, because I've got such a big garden, is bring it forward a little bit. Obviously not right at the front. I've got my Cuba japonica up there because the stem is going to keep going upright. It's going to create a canopy. Whereas plants below are going to create that evergreen interest. And I might even shape those a little bit as the year's gone on. I'm a little bit undecided. We'll be pruning them, but as to how I prune them, I'm undecided. So by bringing it forward, closes the garden in a little bit, makes it feel a little bit more immersive, right? So that's a really good tip when planting. Even if you've got big plants, big shrubs, you don't always have to plant them to the back of your border. Bring them forward, creates that little bit of interest. And just look down here now, my garden, this side has been completely transformed this winter just by half a dozen plants. And I haven't spent a lot of money on this as well. Shopping around is the key. I'm really happy with that. In one of my last videos, I actually went ahead and I fed all of the garden. I added some farmyard, much needed farmyard manure into the garden. It must have been good because it smelled pretty decent. So I put a large dump of farmyard manure just in that spot, ready for when I actually plant this plant. So there's nothing more to do other than plant it. So as always, plant has the best face. In this case, it's got a little bit of a wonky stem. Bit of a theme going on in this garden with wonky plants. But I really don't mind it. I think that's the beauty of these. Root system's looking good. I might just pinch off a couple of the little ones, only ever so slightly. That's all I'm going to do. Am I happy with that? I'm going to give it a bit of a turn. More. Oh no, I don't like it from that angle. At it first time. It looks good from this side, looks good from that side. I'm happy. Let's just cover it up. There we have it. Short and sweet video today. I'm most pleased with that. I mean, that's not even a plant that was on my radar. Obviously we see them in garden videos that we watch, right? And I didn't even have it on my wish list. So there's a couple of plants I wanted, and that is it. One is a Wagneranus, a Trachycarpus Wagneranus, or known as a Waggy. The other one is a Nova. It's a Princess Hybrid Trachycarpus called Nova. That is another one. Wife's taking pictures of me. And that is another one, right? So that wasn't even on the list. Maybe I've got to calm down on the spending a little bit, but I don't know. It's just one of those situations. I'm excited about this one. I get excited about things like this. This bed is pretty much transformed now. When we have the summer bedding, so there's going to be gingers, canna lilies, and ricinus at the back. It's going to look great. It's going to look fantastic. Let me know down below. I'm really excited about it. Can you tell? Over at Plante. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a big thumbs up, as it really does help the channel out. Drop a comment down below as it helps share it out to others who love gardening just like we do. Until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You take care. This lawn's terrible.